Greetings, everybody. It is I Travel V, or Vanessa, or I Rise from the Ashes. I am heading to Walmart right now. I'm heading to Walmart right now to get some oil change. It is May 2nd. It is 9:45 a.m. There is a festival today in Sacramento, and Rancho Cordova. It's called the Taste of Korea. I went to one in 2002 or 2003 in Los Angeles. So I will be going to this one in Sacramento. But first, I gotta go to Walmart and get an oil change. Mine's gonna cost at least $50 something. I haven't got an oil change. It's supposed to be due. Hold on. Sorry about that. It was supposed to be due April 9th. So it's been almost a month. Getting close to a month in a few days. So that's where I'm heading, to Walmart. So I'll see you guys at Walmart, and then we're gonna be going to Sacramento to the Taste of Korea. See ya. Okay, you guys, we just got our bid for the oil. It's going to take about a few minutes. There was a car in front of me and a car that was going to get done. I'm here at Walmart, so it's going to cost me $71 total because they have to do an oil filter and then something else. The other thing, I should have paid more attention. But we're here at Walmart, you guys. I got to get me a binder, so give me a binder real quick. A big binder. So at Walmart, and the binders are over here. I think it's over here. The big binders. Big binders. Let's see. I'm gonna go down one more, but we'll see over here first. Big binders. So we're at Walmart, guys. It is now 9:55 a.m. I don't know why I keep saying p.m. because I think I'm always making content at the nighttime. So I'm find a big binder. Put this away in my pocket. My phone in my pocket. Let's see. It's so weird not to have my keys. Oh, here it is. I found it. On F19, we got calendars. But I'm not here for a calendar, for big binder. I mean, not big binder, but let's see. Notebook, a big notebook. That's what I'm looking for. Big notebook. It's right on the other side. Those are pens. Oh, here we go. Big binders. Like a 3 binder. Well, that's 2. Why I need this? Because I have a school. So I'm going to need 2 big binders for school. I start on Monday. So, yeah. It seems like there's less paper. Good. Right here. It's not bad. Wow, seems like there's less paper in here. I feel like it's just less paper. I feel like less paper is in these binders. I don't know why. I feel like there's less paper in the binders. Oh, heavyweight. It's a heavyweight binder. This is nice. I like that. I like that a lot. That's nice. It's $5.77. That's big enough. The other ones, the small ones, I can get from the Dollar Tree for $1. But I just need this heavy one. Oh, these are 97 cents. What? I just said for $1, and here they are for $1. So, I mean, 97 cents. It's not bad. I might get a couple of these. Oh, these come in a... Okay, yeah, those are nice. I might have to get these a little later. They're like, they come in like 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. That's pretty nice. These are 97 cents. That's nice. 97 cents. Got yellow. Let's see. Yellow really got a lot of colors. Just yellow, red. 97 cents. Oh, then we got these. I got these. Not bad. Anyway, one is just, it's nice, but it's just, I might have to go a little lower than this $5 one. So that's what I need, but it's kind of, okay, so wait, these are 97 cents. Let's see, I might have to go to a little one, a little less than that one. Let's see. You know what I can do is, oh, I'm gonna be this is $3. This is a heavyweight book for $3. You know what? I'm gonna use these 97 cents books. I got a blue one. I got a green one. I'm not gonna get the heavyweight one. I thought about it, so I'm gonna get the 97 ones. So I got a green, a blue one. Okay. So yeah. So I got 4. I think I'm gonna get one more. Sorry guys about the music. It just put it on. Just put that music on, so I'm gonna look for one more color if they have one more color. So I'm really liking these notebooks right here, so I'm gonna get one more of those. Sorry about that. Actually, I'm gonna see. Sorry about the noise, you guys. I just turned that on out of nowhere. So I'm just looking at colored pens right now. And I need them to run different colors. I'm just seeing if I want this one right here. It's $12. Or we got some gel pens. some gel pens. Probably just gonna get a regular pens. Yeah. So we get probably a regular pen. Like this. Ooh, extra smooth. I like smooth. $2.87. I think it's nice. Here's the audio center. My car is next. It's getting an oil change right now. So, yeah. That's my baby. Guys, I'm just leaving the auto shop. Total was, $75.18 with my 2 books. I just got 2 books. Let me get in the car. Okay, like I was saying, you guys, I just left the auto shop. It's right behind me. Total cost was $75.18. I only got 2 books right here. I think I have more books in my bucket that's in my son's room. I'm gonna look through that, but yeah, I just need 2 books for right now. If I need any more books, I'll just come back later, or there's more. It's just little pages. I remember it being so huge for the price of that, and it's just like this much. So I'm just gonna probably order a big binder, a notebook binder off of Amazon. So I found a second event, which I'm gonna probably go to that one first. It's a hula event, which I'll post right now. And then I'll go to the Taste of Korea. So I found 2 events that are free, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to put some gas in the car, and then we're going to go on our way to Sacramento. It is where this event is an hour away from me. The other event is 30-something minutes away from me, so I'm just going to go to that one first, see what's going on, because I've never been to something like that. So we're going to go see what's going on. So we're just now leaving Walmart. See you guys.